Hey YouTube, alright, it's GoPro guy, maybe. If you saw my last video, you understand that. I'm not sure if I have the rights to that yet, but anyway, yeah, I went into the bank, Royal Bank, awesome bank, I love this bank, and they give me Band-Aids. So I'm all bandaged up, and that was really cool of them, and I just like dealing with these people, they're so personable. But anyway, I am going to head off again, so you can join me or you can leave, it's your choice. But I have no choice, I have to go pick up kiwis. So if you're with me, awesome, let's go get kiwis. Hopefully we won't crash anymore, although it's exciting for you, I guess. So I'm gonna glove up this time. See my gloves? Okay. I didn't get that much road rash on my hands. I think the rain actually stopped because I slid because I didn't get all chewed up very bad. So I was singing that "Rain, Rain, Go Away" song earlier. Well, the rain can stay until I get home because it's obviously saving my butt if I fall. So I wasn't aware that was ever going to be the case, but it is. All right. Put my hat away so I can be respectable when I go into an establishment instead of all helmet head. So bear with me 1 second, my zipper's not cooperating on my bag. Okay. So here we go. Let's go get kiwis. Pick up some kiwis for my buddy because he's helping me out right now. And I think that's really awesome of him. And he likes kiwi. So I'm going to surprise him with some kiwi. Tunnel, yuck. Right. We're on the road. Usually I don't like this road because it's very busy. But whatever. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. For whatever reason in my town, they're tearing up a lot of the bike paths I used to use, which got me around all this crazy driving traffic, but like I said, it is what it is. It's about a 5-minute trip, if you're keeping track, to Freshco, where I'm going to go get my kiwi. And then I think it's pretty much home after that, so, well, my buddy's place anyway, which is now my home, so. Okay, so we got another red light. It'll be a little easier on the crank this time, so I don't do another face plant. Oh, okay, one of my brakes just gave way. I really need a new bike. Okay. Going through the intersection here. I think a piece of my bell is over there somewhere. My bell doesn't ring now. Lost whatever the piece is inside that rings because the bell blew open when I fell. But it was only a cheap bell. I think I got it at a Dollarama. So I'm going to actually, I have to stop at the Dollarama. I want to get a couple of things from my buddy's apartment, so yeah, I have a crazy brake situation going on my left brake here. It's not engaging until it's all the way out, so I guess I'm going to have to see what's going on there. It's a pretty long red light. I do have brakes. It's my back brake, I think. Okay. A little easier acceleration this time, not trying to win any marathons. Rain's still coming down in a very enjoyable mist. But it beats the hard stuff. The hard stuff's really hard to bike on. Okay, so this is going to be my narration video because I don't normally narrate my videos, but yeah, I do talk to myself, so this way at least I don't look totally crazy. It's not okay, or sorry, it is okay to talk to yourself. It's not okay if the voices talk back. So, or how's that go? You hear voices in your head? I don't know how that goes. I don't think it's okay if you hear voices. I don't agree with that at all. I'm gonna play it safe here and try to take the crosswalk. It says green. And we're here at our destination. One of them anyway. And I gotta go over there to the dollar store. I really like this town because everything, seriously everything, is so close. Like, you can bike from one end of the town to the other in 15 minutes. It's such a great town if you're not a big car person like me. Of course, if I owned a car, I might change my mind. Technically I do own a car, but it's a long story. Someone's using it right now. Okay, so let me get my keys out. I guess that's kind of the end of my log. You don't want to come in the store with me, and I don't even know if that's allowed, so I'm just going to play it safe. Alright, so messy hair and all, here I am. Just going to go in, get my kiwi, and then come back out. That's pretty much what you do when you go in somewhere. You got to come out eventually. So yeah, I'm going to go get my maybe some extra fruit too, because I like alkaline fruit, because alkaline fruit's really good for the body. A lot of oranges and lemons and things like that are fun to eat, but they can make you acidic. So I like berries. I like strawberries, blueberries, kiwi, you know, that sort of things, where you still get the vitamin C, like you do the orange, lemon, and lime and stuff, but it's not acidic to your system. So you're going to have an easier time with your immune system. And sorry, there's water droplets. I'm going to see if I can clear that. I don't know. Anyway, maybe I got to cloth and clear it properly. All right, thanks. That's GoPro guy signing off. Again, don't know if I can use that handle until I get to my computer, but that's the prototype name, I guess you could say. All right, later, YouTube. Thanks a lot.